Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review episode 104. Hey everyone, hey Abdullah, hey Jade, hey Ivan, hey Catalin, Bucor, Azov. Welcome back, people. Well, interesting times again. You'll hear my hey Nore, you'll hear my rants over and over again until I don't know. You'll hear my opinion at least. I see too many people panicking, and I have only one question for you. Not for people deep in crypto traders, for people in general. If you are panicking now, what you'll do if Bitcoin will properly retest 70k again? That's a good question to have. Okay, let's start. The live stream. Let's start presenting. First, we don't have nothing new on the road to financial freedom. We still follow the plan. Same levels are valid. We are just waiting there for some shots. So for the moment, we'll continue to look at the market, to look at the potential ideas, to see what is happening. Maybe we'll take some requests at the end. I don't intend to keep the live stream more than 1 hour, but who knows? Let's see what we can do. One request to you, I posted the tweet in the chat. If you want to click on that tweet and repost, if all the people here will repost, that will help us to grow a little bit. Okay? Okay. Let's start with Bitcoin. Weekly chart, I think that's the best. For the moment, people, for the moment, we don't have a 3-bar fractal top. Not yet. We need this candle to close and then to trade below this level, and that will confirm the 3-bar fractal, and only after that, we can think about, well, a bounce and I'll short. In the same time, a correction here in the pump chaser zone, nothing bad, nothing unusual. A deeper correction here in the old all-time high, 69, 70k. Again, something normal that usually happens in a bull market. Let's just take a price range. Yeah, let's say from the top until the retest of the all-time high, 36%. I showed you last live stream, same story. In a bull market, 30, 35, 36% retracement. It's something usual. It's something normal. Nothing bad with that. I don't know why people are panicking. Some altcoins will go lower. Well, you have an investment plan. You don't have to sell when it's going lower. You don't have to panic when the potential portfolio, value of your portfolio is going down. Why you are looking at your investment portfolio 5 times a day? I don't know. That's a bad habit. Exactly, Crackdown. Good point. Yeah. You overexposed yourself. You put money you cannot afford to lose. Yeah. And no risk management. I know people in crypto traders arena that they are trying to learn, indeed. But they have 10, 20, 50% in one shitcoin. Well, I understand their perspective and their emotions. Why did you put all this money in one shitcoin? Well, that's a... Even if you are you have only 5% and you have 20 coins or more coins in your portfolio, the portfolio potential value is still going down. But if you are looking now, when the portfolio is going down and you see a value, that's the value you get if you sell at the market at this point in time. That was your plan initially, to sell in the dip, to sell when the market is going down? No. So why do you care about the portfolio today Why you are looking? Why you don't have a clear plan? You think my portfolio is going up and your portfolio is going down? No, my portfolio is going down also. But when we made the plans, we said, well, we'll sell when P cycle will hit. We'll sell most of the coins. P cycle didn't even blink, not hitting, not giving us a signal. Far away from that. That means we should put our hands under our asses and wait. It's simple as that, people. Jade, I don't fucking care how it feels. It looks like you should have a better plan. It's simple as that. Crypto is not for weak emotionally people. If you cannot stand the emotions, you cannot stand the high volatility, don't play the game. It's that simple. Play a different game, play a different approach. It's that simple, people. I don't know why people... Bitcoin, it's at fucking 99k, at 100k, and people are panicking. Well, why? Because Bitcoin is up and altcoins are not up. And well, study, at least if you are new, at least study the last cycles. No difference. Same shit. Same problem. We had sentiment like this over and over again in the last two cycles. 2017 was the same until 2018 beginning, altcoins exploded. 2021 we had the same. So I don't get it. Study the last ones. Yeah, indeed, if you are playing the altcoins, you have a small window, 3-6 months, when the altcoins will outperform. And the rest, Bitcoin is king. We know that. But at the same time, you want a 5x on your portfolio, a 3x? Well, play Bitcoin then. You want more? Well, you have to stand in altcoins. Exactly, Ivan. Exactly. You should. I'm overexposed, but I have a different approach in my. I have a skill that nobody could take me. Only God. I have a skill to make money in any conditions. What I do, I'll be honest, what I'm doing now when I see the market is going down, well, I'm playing low time frame crypto now. I'll scalp, and all the profit I make, I put aside the expenses I need, the money I need to pay my bills, and the rest of the profit is going in the altcoins. Well, this altcoin looks nice, it's at the bottom, maybe I should buy some. I'll make a plan for it and I'm buying altcoins. I buy with $500 now and next week maybe the market value will be 200. I don't fucking care. I don't intend to sell there. It's just a number on the screen until I'll exit. And I don't intend to exit now. It's that simple. Why you are looking? Well, my portfolio is 30% down. You're intending to sell now, today? No. Why do you care? I don't get it. You are hurting yourself without any reason. It's like drinking poison. Every day, wake up, look at 10% down. Even if it's 100% up, you intend to sell? No. So, will not help you, will not do anything for you. Just will put your emotions high and you'll, I don't know, feel bad. Let's just call it feel bad, not more than that. It's that simple, people. I don't know how to explain it to you better than that. You've made an investment plan for with some targets. Well, wait for the targets. We don't have, well, I'll exit at break even or I'll exit at loss. No, the plan is clear. This is the money I want to risk. This is the area where I want to exit. I have two options. Either the market goes to zero, totally to zero, and my portfolio disappears. Okay, I assume that risk when I made the plan, or hits my targets. Nothing in between. I don't care. If Bitcoin will go to 110 now and will stay there and altcoin will pump 50%, will hit the P-cycle top, will be a good time to exit? No. So, just wasting time looking at an investment portfolio that does what will do, either you look or you don't look at it. I prefer to focus on scalping, I prefer to focus on day trading, make some money in this time because it's the best thing I can do, and that's it. So people, I don't know how to warn you better than that. Imagine that Bitcoin could do a 30% retracement, 35 in 70K area. And that could be really fast. 1-2 weeks could be there, consolidate, make a W and straight up. I don't know. It's possible. I'm not saying it's probable. If you are panicking now and you have emotions now, what you'll do then? You are prepared for that scenario. I'm saying more than 1 month when we made this high, I said, well, it's possible at any point in time to have a 38% retracement and even a 61.8 retracement. That means 61.8 means 35% in total. Bull markets in crypto are damn violent. Well, that's in crypto. Really? Let's see. If it's crypto. Really? It's only in crypto? I didn't know that. What was here? What is that, people? 27%. Everyone was panicking. I will sell the bottom here. Remember what we discussed. All people remember and said, we are in a bull market. What you are expecting? What is that? 36%. It's traditional market, people. It's not crypto. What is that? 11%. Huh? And couple of weeks. What is that? 10%. And we are making new highs. Come on. Let's be real. What is this? What is this? What we have here? Up only market, no? Higher highs, higher lows, uptrend. On weekly chart. On lower time frame, okay. But if you are an investor, you'll panic sell your stocks here. You're stupid then. You'll panic sell here, panic sell here. Is different on crypto? No. Same shit, different pile. Crypto, it's a bit faster and it's a bit more volatile, so the emotions are a bit higher. But the TA is the same, the emotions are the same, everything is the same, people. So don't tell, well, only crypto. No. It's the same shit. If you want to be an investor, you want to be a trader, you have to adapt, you have to plan, and you have to be good. Simple as that. If you are not, you don't stand with the emotion side, your heart will break, don't play the game. And if you are not able to play the investment part, don't even think to day trade or swing trade. Don't even think about it. If you are not able to play weekly chart, you think you can play the daily chart or 4-hour chart? Or even thinking you can scalp with me and Stefan on 5-minute chart? No. So, that's the first rant for today. Okay? Even to think that will retrace is still bullish, even here at 70K is still bullish. It's still, look at the support here. Nothing bad. Wyckoff check off this high. Never retested. It's even expected at some point in time that this level will be retested. Now or after the bull market, we don't know. But it's possible, even probable. What I could tell you, that in this area will form a top. Here, I don't think this is the top. I think it will be higher. Anyway, now, let's look at Ethereum. Everyone is saying Ethereum is shit. Well, maybe it's shit. I don't know. Maybe Vitalik, it's stupid. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not smarter than Vitalik, that's for sure. But idea is, look at this one. $2,100, $4,000. This is equal lows and equal highs. What do you think this is? What is that? It's a range, people. It's just a range where you can play the range game. And now we are getting closer and closer to long relow zone. Weekly W's, Wyckoff check here. What is that? It's a selling opportunity, panic opportunity, or buying opportunity? Just asking. But people here in the top of the range are bullish. Yeah. We'll go to the moon. Exactly. $10,000. Here, well, is that. A guy like that cannot be helped if you are thinking like that. Look at it. We are explaining you in Capua 1 what it's a range and how you should play the range. Equal lows and equal highs. Define a range. And I'll show you some tricks how to see the range a bit faster. That's a different thing. But that's clearly a range. You think on higher time frame, on monthly, you think we can push higher? I think so. Let's put monthly chart. You think we can take this high and do an AB equals CD here? People, we can do an AB equals CD. Look at it. And another one, and that will point out to the top of the market. Yeah, it's possible. Indecision candle last month. Look at January was up and down and nothing burger. Yeah, indecision. That's how it's called when a candle looks like that. In a range. I don't see anything bearish, I'll be honest. I don't see anything bearish on Ethereum. It's not performing for the moment. Well, maybe people should learn to be more patient. This is my 2 cents. Okay, let's go back on weekly. So for me, even if we'll touch $2,780, that will be a nice opportunity to hunt a W on 4-hour chart and buy the shit out of or long the shit out of Ethereum. Simple as that. I'm not predicting that the market will touch that level. I'm just saying if we'll touch it, I'll hunt W's there. I'm already hunting W's on Ethereum now, on lower time frame. So that's Ethereum on weekly. Let's take a look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Can you see a potential bullish divergence here? Can you see it? Can you see the location if we'll put the level? I told you multiple times, it will take time to form a weekly W. Look at it. It's consolidating. And people in these weeks, in this location at 78.6, long reload zone, the best location possible. People are panicking. Are looking at 4-hour chart. Well, it's going down. It's going down. But here in the range, everyone was saying, well, that's the bottom. That's the bottom. And some people even remember I said about good traders. Well, they are wrong this time. Market will push in the long reload zone. Some good traders I respect, and I still respect them. They said here was the bottom, and they changed their Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I said publicly, I'm not picking on them. I will not say something bad about them. I'm not okay with what they did here. I think it will go lower. Now everyone is saying going lower. I am saying it's possible to go lower, but I think we are damn close to a bottom. This is my 2 cents. Keep in mind, not financial advisor, stupid trader here telling you my 2 cents. That's it. That's all I am. And if you want to hit that like button, I'll appreciate that. If you want to retweet the tweet in the chat, even more grateful. I don't need anything else. Okay. Keep in mind, stupid trader said, again, people are bearish at the bottom. And I'll keep this here until either we'll go to 001 and I'll say, well, I was wrong, or we'll form a bottom here. I didn't say it will happen in 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. But this looks like we are forming a bottom. Okay, now, what we should do next? Well, let's look at the total market cap. We should zoom out a little bit. We are above the old all-time high, and we are staying there. We are retesting that as a support. From my perspective, that's fucking bullish. And we can start at any point in time, we can start an AB equals CD move and push higher. But because we are looking at weekly chart, that could happen until the fall or maybe end of the year. I don't think. You can see this one is pointing out kind of in May. Sell in May and walk away. Who knows? It's just an AB equals CD, doesn't have a time on it. So as long as we are holding on a weekly basis above the 3 trillion market cap, more than okay. Even if we'll accept below, I'm still okay. Look at the long reload zone. This level here. Market could retest here, make a double and then push higher. Who knows? Will take longer, but I don't care. I still see an uptrend on weekly chart. Total 3. Similar story. Everyone is panicking and market is fighting the old all-time high. Come on. It's fighting. I'm not saying, well, buy here, well, do something. No, look at it. It's fighting this level. At any point in time, we can see a retracement in the first support here in long reload zone. 700 billion? Yep. Yes, we can. I don't have the total 2 anymore, but I had the same drawings on total 2. Let's see if I still have the drawings on total 2. Yeah, look at this one. The drawings are still there. Motherfucker trader. Look at it. Just look at it. And I was framing this market over and over again from 2021. Well, look at it. Long reload zone, W's, and I said, well, W's means we'll push higher. We pushed higher, we retested, Wyckoff checked this level, we pushed again. It's possible for us to test 1 trillion here and start over again? Yeah. It's possible to go from here to make some W's and go on the exponential phase? Yes. People that are here approximately 2 years or more, they know. I was using to live stream with Brian and talk about this chart. And if you remember, Brian had at the end of every live stream had a spreadsheet where everyone is saying -1, +1, +2, how bullish we are on the market. And keep in mind, I was damn bullish in 2023, 2022 in this area. I said, well, +2 every time. Why? Market is too bullish. And AB equals D is completed. We need to consolidate and do it all over again. I don't see bearishness here. Okay, but keep in mind, I'm on weekly chart. That doesn't mean we cannot have a correction on lower time frame. That's my overview, people. I want to stay on weekly chart. I want to tell you the big time frame. I'm more bullish than moon boys. Moon boys are bullish only when market is going up. When you have a retracement, moon boys are panicking. I'm not panicking. I'm getting greedier and greedier as the market is going lower. Okay, now let's take, for example, let's take Bitcoin on daily chart just to take a look, and let's see what we have here. This or this one? This one is better. On the other hand, on daily chart, look at this is daily chart. It's something everyone is looking at. We have this range, this dark maul candle, if you remember. We SFU'd, we go back down, and I said, we are fighting this 100k level. Of course we'll have some FUD that will push the market back in the support. Of course we'll have some FUD. Now is the tariffs. Well, that will destroy. No, will not destroy anything. It's not crypto related even. And even when you see the market going down, Bitcoin and crypto, going down because of news that is not crypto related, remember that Bitcoin and crypto in general will bounce first and will bounce damn strong. But thinking range here, it's a good area to think short here? No, we are in the middle of the range, just below 100k, bad area. Lower time frame, long reload zone, you can think long here as a day trader. But let's think, I'll take this daily. So I have a high, I have a swing low. If Bitcoin will come here and everyone will become even more bearish, just to test that wick that wasn't retested. And I'll form a simple W. Here in the long reload zone, is long reload zone because you want to reload. Look left, you have some support here. If I put only the price action here and I'll put a volume, you can see long reload zone, it's exactly in the POC. All the moon boys and all the influencer will be bearish here, and I'll hunt long ideas. Sorry. It's impossible for me not to hunt long ideas here. Well, if we'll accept below 100, we'll go all the way down. Well, maybe. That's why I have stop losses. That's why I'm playing setups. So, here, nothing I can do. Not too long, not too short. Too late to short. If you want to hedge, I told you to hedge here. 106, 107. I told you to hedge your portfolio here. If you didn't do it, it's a kind of late now. But even if Bitcoin, let's assume that will take this liquidity and will push lower because of the fear, because of the, I don't know. This is a long reload zone. This is the POC. This is the POC of this entire range. This is most probably will form a W, breakout retest. That's textbook price action. You are lucky if you get a W breakout and a retest. That's something any trader should know how to trade. For the moment, on 4-hour chart, for example, we are fighting this one. So either an SFU could be played on lower time frame, either an SFU of this level. Let's see what will happen. Talking daily chart, I just told you what I think. If this level will not hold, this is kind of 50% from this range. If will not hold and will not bounce until the end of the week, we can push all the way down here in the long reload zone, but that's a location for long. It's hunting long idea. Simple as that. Now, Ethereum on daily, and then I'll go on some altcoins and we'll talk something else. Ethereum on daily, let's zoom a little bit. Similar. Swing low, swing high, long reload zone, Wyckoff check, 2,780. If Ethereum will accept below $3,000, every Schiller, every Moonboy, every influencer will tell, well, that's it. Next bus. Let's wait 4 years. And now I'll hunt long ideas. Sorry. If I'll be wrong, I have a stop loss that will save my ass again. It's impossible for me to be bearish. So call me bulltard, call me stupid, call me whatever you want. But I learned from the last cycles that a bull market is damn hard to trade, and if you are easy to be scared and easy to sell, you will not make money. Liquidation or stop loss? Well, then play that game. Good luck with that. Okay, people. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do from now on. Altcoins, weekly chart. Okay, altcoins. Look at it. What happened here? Everyone is panicking. But a stupid trader told you that you should buy this weekly W retest. And some smart asses told me, well, Paul, you are stupid. We'll never come back down here to retest the weekly W. Well, thank you. I am patient and I'm waiting, and now I have my fill. You can see I have my fill, and I have to put this one. This one is filled. Well, green, please. Okay. So I have another one here. This is textbook price action. Is what we hope for. And now people are panicking. Well, think again, people. Similar here. We are testing the lows. Where you want to buy as an investor? You want to buy here or you want to buy at the lows? You want to buy a big support. Let's put something like this. Well, there you go. Even the POC is above. So if you believe in this project, if you don't believe or you don't like this shitcoin, don't buy it. Don't touch it. But you believe this is the area where you want to buy. People, I'm looking at weekly chart. Don't ask me tomorrow why the price didn't bounce from here. Last time, I'll take this example. Last time let's take a date range. So last time when we reached this area, okay? So let's say we reached the area here and we lost the level here. 112 days, people, took for the market to bounce. That's fucking 3 months. Well, let's assume that the market reached the area here and we can bounce. We can go up in April if it will be the case. I'm not saying it will be the same, but I'm just explaining you, if you buy, you should be patient. We are looking at weekly chart. Buying here and market going a bit lower and panic selling, well, I lost my hope, I lost everything. Well, don't play the game, people. Nobody could help you in this game. You are you with yourself. Yeah? You made the plan, you respected the plan, you push the buy button. You should lower your emotions and do something else and respect the plan. If you are not able to do so, sorry, don't play the game. Alt, similar. It's testing the lows. This could be a power of 3 SFU here. It's probable. This one is so fucking strong that never touched our W here. Weekly W. I'll chase it. No. I have the limit order and I'll wait. And as the better I put my levels and I'm waiting, the luckier I get. I don't know how it's happening, but I get my feels. Similar here. Look at it. Initial weekly W. And we are just retesting that level. In September last year, we had 50 cents. Now we are at 80 cents and we are panicking. Instead of saying, well, look at that opportunity. You want more? Almost everything looks the same. Look at here. You think people are bullish here? Look how long this one takes. How many people sold the bottom here? Almost 1 fucking year. And we bounced, we sold half on a double, reloaded again, did the same thing. And you think this time, no, this time is different. No, this time we'll go straight to zero. Similar here. Took 2 months to form this, the double bottom, to form this W. We pushed, well, from 5 to 10, we sold half on a double if you bought exactly where you should. Now we are retesting the level. We can SFU to take the liquidity here. I bet that will happen. Why? Nobody will push this market up without swapping the liquidity, or without stopping all the beginners. Nobody wants to carry all the beginners all the way up. No. Beginners, they have to FOMO in again at the top or close to the top. That's the game, people. You should know the game. If you play the game, you should know the rules. Similar at bake. Don't ask me next week, well, Paul, you said you are bullish here. Market is at the same place or a bit lower. Well, look what happened last time. 2 months, 3 months of consolidation and then up. We are looking at weekly chart. We are looking as an investor. Don't be an investor that is looking at 5-minute chart. We will not last 1 month here. Simple as that. I could go on the entire list. Okay? On the entire list, you'll see the same. -5, -4. But when you'll see, if you cannot stand -5, -4, -10% a day, you don't deserve 100% up in a day. That's cliche, but that's the reality. And I don't know why my internet is doing me some funny stuff here. Hope everything is nice and clean. I hope. Please someone tell me if we have good audio and good video quality. Is all okay? Okay, Nore, thank you. So that's the simplest way you can put it. If you cannot stand 5-10% down, you don't deserve candles like this. You don't deserve them, and you'll not be here to take advantage. Let's take, this is a weekly chart, okay? In 2 weeks we had stupid Paul. Let's do it. In 2 weeks we had 330% increase. You don't deserve 300% if you didn't buy and hold these levels here. You don't. On total it's, look at it, from the bottom, let's take, well, you took the weekly double, okay? You had weekly W breakout retest, textbook. What I'm trying to teach you every fucking time. So from this level to the top, you had 600% increase. So you bought at 10 cents, 11 cents, and you should sell at 80 or something. But let's say you sold one double and you reloaded and you're still okay. If you don't wait for the price action like this, and you don't buy W's like this, and you don't hold, you don't deserve to take the profit. Simple as that. And you decide if you'll take the profit, you deserve or you don't deserve that. You decide for yourself. Not the market, not me, not anyone else. If you buy and hold, you'll participate. If you panic and do stupid things, you will not participate. It's that simple. You are doing that with your own hands, with your own mind, with your push of the button. I had too many friends giving up last week and this week. Sorry. It's that simple. Nothing I can do for them. Okay, people. Now, I could talk about this list all day. All the altcoins, or 90% of the altcoins, are at the bottom. It's a buying opportunity all day long, all week long, all month long. I don't care. If you have the bags already packed, just wait. I don't care, or you should not care about what your potential value of the portfolio is today, tomorrow, next month. Because you are not intending to capitalize. You don't intend to sell now. You intend to sell a lot higher. Respect yourself, respect your plan, and try to make some money. You are here to make money, not to have emotions and complain and cry and do other things. Simple as that, people. Now, that being said, let's look at lower time frame a little bit. But before that, we started registration for VIP for February. From today until, I think, Wednesday or something. 1st to 5 every month. We said we increased the number of places because people said, well, there are too few places, only 20 people. It's bull market. A lot of people want to participate. Okay, I get it. I increased the number to 50. And now I found out that, I realized actually that we have 39 people already in the VIP. So 11 places available to book this month. I prefer to see people from Premium. I prefer to see people renewing their VIP. But if they don't want all the places, who will pay first will get the place. It's that simple. To book a place on VIP, you need to have an acceptable portfolio. That means 5, 10K and more. You need to be able to respect a plan, even if that plan means to follow Stefan or to take some trades from Stefan, and to calculate the position size and respect the fucking risk management. If you are not able to respect the stop loss, please, pretty please, don't join VIP because you'll not make money. VIP is not for moon boys. VIP is for people that know how to trade, that don't have the time, or they prefer to take ideas from someone else. It's not for beginners. It's not for moon boys. You'll not get rich in one trade from VIP. You'll not get rich in 1 month. No? So there are some conditions there. Because there are too many people, I'm insisting on that one. Probably Stefan, I don't know if he has time to check everyone. But I'm asking you, don't join VIP if you are not able to trade. If you still know that last month you moved your stop loss against you, or you put a trade without stop loss, don't join. Please don't join. You lose money. Tomorrow, next week or tomorrow is the same thing. We start Capua 1 and Capua 2. Some people ask, well, late registration. Late registration next week. I think we can still get people in Capua 1 the first week when we start. Same for Capua 2. In Capua 1, I know for sure because I'm taking the program. I'm doing the program. I know for sure there are only 2 places left from 20. And Capua 2, I think there are 4. I don't know for sure. You have to DM Stefan. If you are on VIP, you should take Capua 2. That's my opinion, and not a financial advice. Because you get a better price and you get participation in VIP anyway. So you don't pay the program if you stay 1 year in VIP. If you don't know how to trade, I recommend Capua 1. But again, I'll tell you something. Don't join if you know you're not consistent. If you cannot follow Crypto Traders Arena for 4 months, 1 year, and be consistent and try to learn and respect the plan, don't join. Don't pay $1,000. Why you should pay that? Do something else. Leave crypto. Do something else. Don't. You'll just annoy me. Because I hate when people are joining and are not participating. I hate that. I'm trying to teach you not to take your money and that's it. If I wanted to scam, I will proceed a different way, not to put my time and effort for 4 months. Okay? So if you want to join, check yourself if you are consistent. Okay, now someone said some requests about Kava and FTM. Jade. Okay. Someone said before that Doge. Davey, all the respect, but please tell me what time frame you want on Doge. Okay? Because I could look at Doge on 5-minute chart, or I could look at Doge on weekly chart. On weekly chart. I said AB equals CD is possible. We put the trade here. I didn't recommend to take this trade here. Why? Why do you think I didn't recommend? Look what happens. We had all the buy the rumor about Doge. And everything realized already. Well, now it's time to sell the news. No more people to buy Doge. No more hype about Doge. Some people will sell and that will start some selling. Okay? Let's clean up this chart because there are too many things. Let's just do a cleanup. I should buy Doge here? Or where I should buy Doge? What I should do with Doge? If you are insisting to buy Doge, I'll sell just classic. Classic. This is the low. No, this is the lowest low. From this cycle, this was the low, the consolidation. When we discussed about Doge here at 5 cents, at the lows, exactly at the lows, nobody was interested. Oh, no, Doge, I don't like it. Now, everyone is interested. Where you should buy Doge? In the long reload zone. The lower, the better. You can see if we close like this is a fucking big gap. Just look at it. Look at it. Ugh, ugly. Ugly as hell. So, no, I'm not touching Doge. Could do a Wyckoff check and then push higher? Well, that depends, but it's possible. I could see a Wyckoff check of this level, which is normal price action. If you don't know Wyckoff check, well, you should study. You can go on Investopedia and type Wyckoff and you'll see Wyckoff check and a lot of things about Wyckoff and what he said about the market. So, in the long reload zone. You want my honest opinion? Let's put the volume profile. Well, to be sure you are buying value, you should buy 5 cents. Will reach this term to 5 cents? I doubt it. But that's the value. If you can calculate a value on Doge. If Doge has a value. Okay? So here, impossible for me to touch Doge. I could trade Doge on Holy Grail if I'll see a small W in this area and I see in a small time frame an uptrend. Of course I can. I'll make money on Doge if it will be the case. But no. Higher time frame, no. Let's take a look at Kava. Similar. Jade, I think if you watched me multiple times, you know what I'll say here, no? Kava, it's with green. I just bought this level. What I could tell you more than that what I did. I just bought this level here. It's a good level to invest. Look, weekly W breakout retest. Could go a bit deeper and form a new W. Possible, probable even. But it's a buying area. Look at it. Phantom. Where the fuck you can find Phantom anymore? Because Phantom it's something else now. No? Well, still we have it on Bitfinex, still as Phantom. Okay, so similar, up, retracement, up, retracement. We transformed in something else. I forgot how the fuck is called the new name of Phantom. They are something else now. They are same shit, different hat, but anyway. Because the price action is made by the community and the community is the same. Huh? Sonic, yeah, okay, thank you. Well, Sonic or Phantom, if you put the lows from October 2023, which was the all-time low, it's at 78.6 retracement. Well, weekly W retest. Look at it. Give me a W here, I'll be more than happy to buy. It's a good level to dollar cost average, yeah. But who's dollar cost averaging when he is panicking? Nobody. Who's using little old lady here? Maybe Noure is using because he has a TRIR probably. Or TRIR know about that. Or Azov, I don't know. Some people are still dollar cost averaging here. The rest are panicking. But it's a buying opportunity here. I know someone. I told the same thing, people. Same thing. I told to someone from our community was from the beginning. Here in the lows. Asked me what the fuck I should do. I bought here in the top and now I don't know what to do. 2022, 2023. And I said dollar cost average as much as you can afford. Don't break the bank. Because this one when it will go up, it'll be easier for you to sell half on a double and get in a risk-free position. Guess what? He made a lot of money in the top here. Not even that. He managed to get in a break-even position. He managed to make money on this one. And good money. Similar here. This is a dollar cost averaging opportunity. Hey, Adam. Just 1 second, just to finish here. So, nothing bad here. Give me a W. What do you think OBV will tell me? When I see something about OBV, I'll look at it, Jade. I could see here some potential divergence, bearish one, yes, but the location is for long. Give me a W. Give me a W, I'll be more than happy. In some bad conditions, I could see here, for example, I could see test this low, SFU this level and push higher, yes. I could see even the lows here at 16 cents, yes. But that will be a gift for me. Give me Phantom at that level and I'll buy it with two hands. Simple as that, people. Okay, now, E-Gold. Well, I could look at E-Gold. One of my favorite coins. One of my favorite coins to laugh. And I'll tell you why. You should know. I bought E-Gold. When they launched it here, you can see what was the level. Below $10, I bought the E-Gold. And I made nice money on E-Gold. I recommended to a friend and that friend made even more money than me. So when people bought E-Gold here at $100 and they said they are starting to dollar cost average, I start laughing. I said, you are stupid. Not a good idea. This will go down. Needs to consolidate. And damn, that coin consolidated. Look at it. Just look at it. Now, you are in the buying area. $25 here. A W on lower time frame and you are ready to go for a trade. To invest, yeah. $25 is not bad. It's not bad to start dollar cost averaging, to invest, to buy, to do whatever you want on higher time frame. We'll take the lows. People that are here from some time will tell you that I said, a stupid trader like me said, I'll buy E-Gold below at $20. I bought it at 22 here. I bought it in the lows because I saw the retest. I saw everything. But I said $20. And if I'm damn lucky, I'll buy it at 10. Can you imagine me waiting to buy e-gold at $10? Well, everyone will say e-gold is a scam. But also imagine that if e-gold will go to $10 and I'll buy some e-gold at $10 and then we'll reach all the way up in the short reload zone at $300. That's a 30x. That's how you make a high reward. Buying the dip, not panicking. Let's go and look at daily, and then you ask for 4-hour chart. Daily, good location. You can see here what I see. Good support here. Usually it's forming kind of a W and is pushing higher. You are in that location where everyone, the smart money said, well, it's enough. Let's push it back up. 4-hour chart. Let's see. You want a trade? Let's do a trade. 4-hour chart. Even if you have a good location, you should buy W's as a trader. Yeah? I don't know who asked about 4-hour chart, but wait for a W. Because you are buying falling knives and it's not okay. Look at here. I'll give you an example. Yeah? You bought here, down. You bought here, no double, down. You bought here, down. It's possible. You don't know where the bottom is. You will assume that the bottom is there with a clear setup after a W. If that W fails, you wait for the next one and you take the next W. If you have a nice risk to reward, you can try 1, 2, 3, 4 times to take the W. But buying here just because, no. Not even indicators don't have something crystal clear on 4-hour chart. So maybe you should wait. Jade, I don't have a crystal ball. If exactly gold will go to $300, but it's probable, possible, probable, let's call it that way. Why? Because they have a small number of coins in total. A big consolidation is an indication that this one, when we'll finish the consolidation, will push all the way up. And if I draw a short reload zone from the top to the bottom, it's showing me $344. Yeah? In short reload zone. Okay? If you don't believe that will push that high, just put a 38.2 and that will show you $221. If you buy here, you have a 10x. If you are patient enough to wait for that, if you are not, don't buy it. I'll be patient for 300. Don't worry about that. This is my 2 cents. This is buying area, buying opportunity, people. Please don't panic. Okay, now I talked about e-gold. Let's see anything else, what we have on the messages. Jade, you can think whatever you want. If you don't make a plan and you don't respect your plan, you can change your opinion and your thinking 10 times a day. That will destroy your mind and will not help you to make money. You are on my hand for 4 months on Capua 1, so I'll try to teach you some things. But I love consistency, Jade. Yeah, I love consistency. And you had a mission, you had a task to do, yeah? To watch the videos. And if you, I don't want to answer me, but I'll tell you what, and that's available for everyone. I saw you asking OBV different questions about this, about that. I'm okay to answer you to all the questions, but if you did that, you asked other things about whole moving average and other things, and you didn't finish the videos, it's not okay. You should start something and you should finish something and then you should start something else. Focusing on 10 directions at the same time, not a good strategy. Okay. What notes do you have there, Jade? How many pages of notes you have, what you read until now? And I don't want anything else than the number. That's it. Just give me a number. Number of pages. Okay. People, I'm hard to work on Capo 1. I'll be honest. I'll keep you responsible. Sorry. So assume that risk when you're joining Capo 1. We are not fucking around. I hate people fucking around. You are consistent or you're not. You see me consistent, I demand same thing for everyone else. Well, that's a bad number, Jade. All I could say. You listen like you listen the news, or you read it like you read the newspaper. That's not okay. Idea is to study, Jade. Idea is to study. To read the newspaper or to listen to music or listen a video, that's not studying it. Okay. That being said, let's look at the next request. We have something? Hey Paul, Ondo. Okay. Ondo. But you don't have it on spot on Binance? Perpetual only? Well, there you go. We had a bot here on daily chart, I think. Let's see daily. Well, that bot is still valid. It's still valid. Look at the low here. What's that limit here? Just a bit above. Okay. If you fail this level, you'll be out. You said dollar cost average in entry points on dollar cost average. Well, let's delete this one then. Actually, let's put it back and let's find a different chart of Tondo. Come on. Maybe something with more history? KuCoin? I have a KuCoin chart, so I could. Points. A lot of points. Can you see something in the long reload zone what you like, Arjun? If you are not from our community, I don't know if you see it, but I see it for sure. I saw the reload zone here. Weekly W, breakout and retest. That's the first level I'll touch. Okay. Then is the 78.6, and then if you look at this level, why the price pushed higher without properly retesting, Wyckoff checking this level? Why? I don't get it. That's not healthy. Let's assume that this level will be retested, I don't know, when the market will go down, indeed. And we'll form a W here and we'll push higher. So to dollar cost average, first level is here, 61.8 and lower. For dollar cost average. I don't know how many of you know how to dollar cost average. Everyone, dollar cost average is easy. Well, I don't know. Depending on your plan, you should dollar cost average on weekly, monthly basis, same amount of money, not the same amount of coins. Yeah, you should split that dollar cost average until you get filled what your ideal position size should be. There are a lot of things to consider when you are dollar cost average. How you'll do it blindly at the beginning of the week. And then after you plan, then you should just have to respect the plan. But the first level is here, 85, then swapping the liquidity here at 50. And I am assuming in the proper condition, we can go here and here at 78.6 make a W. Don't put the time on it, don't put exactly, it's just a squiggly line, but I'm waiting for a W. Below 61.8, ideally will be here. Will happen? I don't know. Could be just a Wyckoff check of this level, 87 and up again. But there, no. For a trade, you saw on Binance. You can frame a trade, you can play a double, you can play. But for dollar cost average, no. C-Pool, I think you asked me last time the same, but I don't have a problem. KuCoin. Let's clean it up a little bit. It's ugly. Old drawings. Ooh. What is with this week? Someone bought $6, people. Someone someone that now thinks he's stupid bought $6 here. Well, from $6 to 25 cents, it's a fucking all the way down. Long way down. Simple as, clear as day. This is a weekly W, big one. This entire thing. Monthly W even. So, take the next W in the long reload zone, preferably at 78.6. Simple as that. Below 61.8, you are allowed to dollar cost average. Above 61.8, you should stay the fuck out. You want to play something nice, wait for a W, the smaller the better, and play that. You can size your position if you are playing a setup as a position trader. Because it's a difference to enter here with the stop loss at 0, okay, and risk, for example, $500. And it's a total different position size if you get a small double at 78.6 and you have the entry here and the stop loss at 78.6. Or you took, for example, this double, entry here, stop loss here, and risk the same amount of money, $500. Well, your position size will be a lot bigger, and if the market will indeed push from that level and will go higher, you'll make more money. So it's a bit different approach. But that's a trade, even it's a position trade, and the other one it's an investment and it's without stop loss, and or stop loss is 0, nothing else. Yeah, Tao, it's ugly. Tao, it's ugly. I could tell you that. You remember this level? Some people, now I'm not saying you people, don't get me wrong. Some people said that Stefan is stupid, that they put, he said that Tao will come back down here and he'll buy this level. You remember, people? They said, Stefan, my favorite student is stupid. And I could tell you for sure that, Stefan, my favorite student is not fucking stupid. He's damn consistent, and he's smart also, and he knows his TA. I love that he has a different approach than me, because I hate to if you use the same tools as me, he'll have exactly the same setups. So he will not help me evolve or get a different perspective. I love that he's using ICT concepts, because that's giving me some advantages. Not only him to learn from me, but also me learning from him. But let's get to the chart. We are exactly at that level. Now, Stefan should go on Twitter and say, I told you so. No? Not the case. You can see I have a green area here. I'm even cheap-ass than Stefan. This is the area. I'll lower the time frame and you'll see why I said this area. Not a bad area to start dollar cost average. You are below 61.8. Okay, I get it. In the same time, people, remember that Tao started somewhere from $1 or below. So it's kind of dangerous to play here. What's the potential? Tell me what's the potential for Tao. For Tao, the potential is to go back to 1,000, to go to 2,000. Well, from $400 to 2,000, a 5x is not the best risk to reward. I could see better. I'm not saying not to play Tao, but the potential here is limited and the downside is kind of 0. If someone will hack Tao or will do something ugly, this one could go to 0 tomorrow. It's a shitcoin, don't tell me it's not possible. So, you get my point. Technically, this was a Wyckoff check, well expected. You can see we bounced 2 times, 3 times, 3 weeks in a row. Seems like this level wants a bit, the market wants a bit lower. If I'll put the volume profile, not too many things I could see because it's not the entire history. I bet that in the lows, 250, it's a good level. On a clear chart. Let's put the daily chart. I want the daily. Can someone tell me why the fuck I said that this is the area where I want to buy? Please tell me. Please tell me why I said that. Anyone? That was the last time when we started this move. We did the W. This was down. No, up. And this will be retested at some point in time. If you'll give me a W in this area, I'll be more than happy to buy. So touching here as a trader, yes. As an investor, kind of dollar cost average, little bit. Split it in, I don't know. If you want to invest, for example, I'll give you a blind example. If you want to invest $1,000, you'll say, well, I'll buy the next, I don't know, 2 months and a half, I'll buy a small amount every week. And you start buying with a dollar amount. If the market goes lower, you buy with the same amount next week, but you buy a bigger quantity of Tau. If it goes lower, you buy the same amount, but you buy a bigger quantity of Tau, dragging your price even lower, because you buy more coins with the same money. And you keep doing that until you fall the bottom. That's the only way I know to get a bottom. If you dollar cost average here, you kind of got the bottom. If you buy the same number of coins, your average price will be higher. If you buy with the same amount of money, your average price will be lower. So I prefer to dollar cost average with the same amount of money every time. So, people, 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. At least 2 of them I think will hold this level here and will form a W before that. Probably here we'll sweep the lows and we'll bounce a little bit. A little bit more. For a day trader, for 1 hour chart, you can see you're bouncing already. 50-minute chart, let's see. Well, some bullish divergence here, at least on RSI. 5-minute chart. W on RSI. LBV no. 1-minute chart. W is there exactly in the line. W breakout retest. That's a scalp. That's a fucking scalp, people. It's not for weekly crypto review. It's something I'll do. I'll tell you when. When Stefan is live streaming for VIP and I have free time, I could trade by myself. I'll do something like this. Breakout retest and I'll take this one. 0.5, 1% risk. The risk reward is so great that I'll take it multiple times. But you can see it's not weekly, it's not daily, it's not 4 hours, it's not 1 hour, it's 1-minute chart. Not for the public. If you want to learn to trade 1-minute chart, do Capoa 1. If you are good enough, you can start with Capoa 2. But something totally different from weekly crypto review and from higher time frame. Okay, people. That being said, let's go back on higher time frame. I don't think it's the case to stay too long on 1 minute. This is not a scalping session. We have one every Tuesday with Stefan. Day trading with Stefan. And the same time, Tuesday also I'm doing the live stream for New York session for public, for all the Discord members. Today we are talking higher time frame. Stevo Sauer, I'll tell you what I told the VIP over and over again, what I told all the people. I don't give a fart about Fartcoin. Who's trading Fartcoin deserves his fate. Who bought Fartcoin above $1 should look himself in the mirror and slap himself and say, you are stupid, don't do it again. You deserve your fate. I'm not saying about you. You ask my opinion. That's my opinion. Who bought Fartcoin above $1 should give up trading and say, well, I'll stay to 9 to 5. That's my place. Simple as that. If you buy a coin that is named Fartcoin above $1, above that market cap, you deserve your fate. Simple as that. If you believe that all the hype, I saw it and I was laughing every fucking time. Big influencer. Well, Fartcoin is going to the moon. You will see that this is the next what? Next fart. They bought the fucking lows and they shield you $1 and they could go. And stupid people are so many of them, they push the price to $2. And you're asking me where to buy? At 0.0.01 dollars, go and buy fart coin. People, I have that impression that I'm a serious trader. I'm not a moon boy. I'm not a stupid one. I'm a stupid trader. But trading fart coin, come on. And we want crypto to be mainstream and to be the real thing. As long as we are trading fart coins and bot coins and things like that, I'm not saying not to trade, but investing, thinking higher time frame. Well, I'll buy fart coin and I'll get rich. Well, you'll get exactly what the name says. That being said, let's look at fart coin. Fart coin on Maxi. Okay. You want to hate myself that I framed the coin the name fart coin, Steve Zauer. Overall, from where they put it on 001 or they put it on Maxi, it's at 78.6 on 1 hour. I see W's on 1 hour. No, I don't see W's. I don't touch it. 4 hour chart. I'll take it in the other direction. Yeah, I see something else here. No, this was the stupid people top, and they'll remember that. I'll ask you something. How the fuck you can, anyone from here or from the public that will ever listen to this live stream, how the fuck you can go back to your wife and your kids and, well, why daddy, why you lost the money? I bought a coin that is called fart coin. Good job. You are the man. Come on. It's laughable. I invested in fart coin. Daily. Yeah. This could be a level for a small bounce here. For a trade, not to invest. And then the next level is here. The next double here. And the next level, and probably this will give us a nice area is here, 8 cents or something. Okay. Why the fuck, if the price reached $2.7, why the fuck the POC is all the way down at 8 cents? Can someone tell me why? There are two reasons. Yeah, but I made money and I was ashamed to tell my wife or someone else I made money with tits and ass. I didn't believe in that project. I didn't buy it high. I bought it at the lows. I saw the hype. It's a different story, Catalin. Yeah, I bought ass coin and tits coin and I made money. I'm not saying not to buy and make money, but buying above $1, okay, you bought it with a small risk and you made money, okay. But believing in this coin will get you rich and you'll do. One thing is a setup and it's a different thing to invest and believe in something like this one. Anyway, these are the levels. Why the POC is here? You know what POC is? Well, because this is calculated in the number of coins. Yeah. Because the smart money bought here and they shield you all the way up here and they made nice money. But you know who made nice money here? Influencers. All the influencers that shield you, well, Farcoin is different, they'll go to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. They had selling orders. And that was they tested the stupidity of the public here. It's how I call it. This is the testing the stupidity of the public. And they said, we are really stupid. You can see my idea. Levels for trades. This one could bleed to zero, bounce just a little bit, and honestly stay here at 8 cents or lower. No reason to fart again. Sorry people, I was a bit harsh, but that's the reality. People playing without plans, people playing meme coins, people buying Doge at 50 cents, but because Doge is the greatest thing. But look at the fucking market cap. Well, Elon doesn't matter. Elon Musk will pump it. Really? Elon Musk is making money for you or is making money for himself? Elon Musk is known to help the public make money? I didn't know that. I thought Elon Musk is a motherfucker that will make anything possible to make money for himself. You think he got the richest man, technically the richest man known, by being nice and making money for others? I don't know. He's laughable. That's an ugly motherfucker. You can put any mask you want, but that's a man that knows how to make money for him, not for you. Careful when you see him saying something for the public. He has some beliefs about the public. I don't know if you know what he's believing about the public in general. But think about it. Think with your own mind, people. Okay. Let's look at Say and let's call it a live stream. I blabbed away too much. I said too many rants today. No value. So, sorry, people. In Romanian, we have a TikTok star that he's saying it's all we can do. Well, we can do, or I don't know how to say it, translated in English. And Romanian people know that guy, Pescobar. Atât s-a putut. That's the saying in Romania. Well, Say here is reaching an area where you should pay attention. Every time we touch this level, we talked about this one. Every time we touch this level, we are making a double and we are bouncing. Hopefully, we'll do the same. Here, at 88.6, it's looking nice. On daily chart, it's looking nice on all the time frames you want. If you put the volume profile, you'll see the pocket a bit too low, but you can see the hole here. That means here, if we'll stay here and we'll make a W, that will be a nice thing. Hopefully will happen, and hopefully someone will draw my attention to this one and I'll buy it here and this location. Yeah, 2 cents, 20 cents, that area, 30, 25 cents, it's a good area to invest. It's not looking bad. If I'll put the weekly chart, probably, yeah, we don't have an OBV here? We have. OBV is looking nice, really nice. On weekly charts, looking really nice. I love it. It's on positive, all the way up from here. Yeah. Weekly chart, you can wait for the next weekly W. We are retesting a weekly W at this point in time, but paying attention and buying Ws, it's a good thing. If you have a bag from this level or a bit higher, doesn't matter. You don't intend to sell now, wait. If you can still afford to dollar cost average, do it. In my humble opinion, I'll do it. I'll buy that next double if I'll see it. It's up to you and your plan. Both of them will work really nice if you are consistent, Gregor. Selling half on a double compared to selling on house levels in the Little Old Lady plan. Well, the Little Old Lady risk management strategy, as I learned it from Brian and as all TRIers know, is to sell half on a double. Let's not transform on something else. You can use, like I did on the Road to Financial Freedom plan. I said that I'll use it only to get in a risk-free position. And if you watched Brian from as long as I watched him, you will know that Brian is recommending from time to time the same thing. And I'll repeat almost word to word. I don't care what you do with the rest, as long as you buy low and you sell half on a double. I don't care what you do with your free position. Something like that. And that's a fucking good advice. Once you get in a risk-free position, your money are back in your account and you have some free coins, it's only up to you how long you can be patient and wait as high as possible. Selling half of the double always works. I discussed that multiple times. I don't know if it's the best strategy in the exponential phase, what we are waiting now. But in general, if you take it overall from the 10 years, 20 years ago until now, yeah, it's one of the best strategies. It's not a plan, it's the risk management approach, people. Yeah? It's different. Da Vinci said, well, it's that, is that. No, it's a risk management approach. Based on that risk management approach, you can make a plan, and you can, like I did. I said, well, I'll sell half on a double, use little OLEDs to get in the risk-free position. I'll reload and I'll repeat the process over and over again until the market will not give me another retest in the long reload zone. Simple plan. That being said, people, I think we talked some coins. I encourage you to focus on higher time frames, stay focused on the ball, stay focused on altcoins, higher time frame, weekly Ws, respecting your plan, invest wisely, don't invest the rent money, don't sell your house, don't do stupid things. It's crypto, is dangerous, could go to zero until tomorrow. Who's saying something else is stupid, don't listen to him, don't follow the gurus out there. They are there to take your money. But at the end, it's up to you what you do with your money. It's your fucking decision. Yeah? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do with your own money. I'm telling you what I'm doing from time to time, what I do with my own money. I'm playing some setups. I have some plans. If you want last chance challenge, join premium. You have access on Holy Grail for life. You have 1 year premium included. If you take up 01, for example. Cap-what-you, it's not for beginners. I don't want to see people, well, I want directly on Cap-what-you. Someone tricked me with Cap-what-you. I think he tricked me, but anyway. I'll discuss with him in person. If I'll even tell him that. Doesn't matter. Okay, people. That being said, let's keep the eyes on the ball. Don't panic sell the bottom. Even if you want to exit the market, please wait for a bounce and exit in the bounce. Don't exit in the lows. Sorry if I was harsh. Sorry if my rants are not what you wanted to hear. If you like it, hit the like button, repost. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button 2 times and never follow me again. I don't mind. I'm here to tell you my honest opinion. Up to you, people. See you on Discord, see you on Twitter, but mostly in Discord. We are really active on Discord. Bye bye. See you next time.